Good day, Good day, everyone, to our fellow graduates, honored guests, respected school officials, teachers, proud parents, and dear friends. Good morning. It is a great honor to stand before you today as we celebrate the 30th graduation ceremony of Julian B. Buayo Elementary School. As we reflect on this year's theme, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character, we are reminded that our journey was not easy. Along the way, we faced challenges that tested our strength and determination. Yet, through perseverance and with the guidance of the people around us, we learn to rise, grow, and succeed. This milestone is not ours alone. Behind every achievement, it is a story of support, sacrifice, and unwavering belief. Today, we take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to who have been part of our journey. First and foremost, we thank our Almighty God for His guidance, strength, and countless blessings that carries us through every challenge and triumph. To our beloved parents and families, thank you for your unconditional love, patience, sacrifices. You are our inspiration and our foundation. This success is as much yours as it is ours. To our dear teachers and school administrators, we are deeply grateful for your dedication, wisdom, and encouragement. You have not only taught us lessons from books, but also values that will guide us throughout our lives. Resilience, discipline, and integrity. To our friends and classmates, thank you for the memories, laughter, and support. Together we made our school life meaningful and unforgettable. To everyone who believed in us and supported us along the way, thank you for being part of our success. As we move forward, we carry with us the knowledge, skills, and values we have gained. We are now better prepared to face the future with confidence, resilience, and strong character. Once again, congratulations to my fellow graduates. The worlds await us, and with what we have learned, there is no doubt that we will continue to achieve great things. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much.
Thank you, Princess, for those heartfelt words. This time, to lead the pledge of loyalty, let us have Earl June P. Tula.